Hey guys, what's up? It's Tay Bryce and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use a claw clip to put my hair up because the claw clip is really not holding nothing. It's just there for show. But I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so the only things I use are a rubber band or two. I use a hair tie and a claw clip. I like to get one that's on the larger side because my locks are a little thicker and I just like the larger ones. So what I like to do is take at least this much of my hair on both sides. I can't really see, honestly, the sun is blinding me and I don't have a mirror. And then once I have an amount that I'm satisfied with, I will put the rest of my hair up really any type of way. This is just temporary, so don't worry too much about making it look cute. You just want to get it out of the way. Now that you have front portion of your hair separated, I like to get a rubber band ready. And I like to smooth my hair in a way so that it goes to the back, the underside of your head. And I do that on the other side as well. And I just make sure it's smoothed down enough. And then I'll take a rubber band and tie it around that section. And then I'll put another one on for security, just in case the first one pops. So once I have this secured, you should have like a little pony in the back. You should have a pony in the back. That's what it should be looking like. And the reason I use rubber bands for the back instead of a hair tie is because the way that I put my claw clip on, I don't want the hair tie to show. The rubber band is smaller, thinner, and is less likely to be noticeable compared to this hair tie. All right, so the next thing I do is I'll take this down. You should still have the pony in the back. And then I like to bring all of this hair up like you're going to put it in a ponytail. Use a hair tie to secure it. I'm only going to put the hair tie on there once because I don't want it to look like a ponytail. So I'll just put it on there one time. Just once. So what I like to do as far as the back of my ponytail, I'll bring it up, flip it up, and integrate it with this ponytail. Take this and add the ponytail in there. So now you should have all of your hair into one ponytail. Okay, so once I have my hair up like so, what I'm going to do is pull some of the hair out of the ponytail that I put up here to try to cover and cross around the back of the lower ponytail, if that makes sense. And also keep in mind that I'm pulling the hair from more of the outside right here, this section, not from this ponytail, but from the top ponytail on like the outer parts. So I have these four right here from both sides, and essentially what I'm gonna do is like cross them over like this. Also, pull these from the back. And I'm going to use them to try to cover up this rubber band right here. So we'll start with the ones in the back, and I'm gonna pull those up and add them into this ponytail. And then I'm going to take the locks that I took on the sides here, and like I said, cross them over and add them to this ponytail also. Then I'm going to take the claw clip and I'm going to put it on my head. Then you just pull your locks back like so, flip them from one side to the other, and you just tweak it to make it look how you would like for it to look. And this is what mine looks like. I do have some that are sticking up, but I think that it adds to the style. And my hair is out of the way. Nothing is pulling really tightly. And yeah, if you guys want to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram at @TayJanelle_. And if you want to see more content from me here on YouTube, down below, like this video, subscribe. Feel free to comment any suggestions on what type of videos you want to see from me. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.